guys. We're going 13 miles an hour on, what road are we on? 15, Interstate 15 in Salt Lake City. And my tire blew. Not on my truck, on my RV. I just aired them up early this morning before the sun came out, thinking we'll never have tire issues, and as you would expect, I have China bombs. I always figured they worked well for me in the past, but it's 99 degrees outside. This area might be better, babe.
Okay.
Perfect. But yeah, what we're gonna do is we have a better spot to change the tire. Yeah, let's just do it right here. Oh, there's so much trash in the ground too, which sucks.
Well, guys, this is the first time that we've lost a tire.
Yeah.
And it's almost 100 degrees outside. We're supposed to be checking in an hour, and we're not going to be doing that. So
yeah.
Here we are.
Well, the good news is you get to learn something in this video. I have a few things in my arsenal that's going to make this a little bit easy. So as you guys know, I added a BAL high to spare, which will make life easier to get that out, because at first it was in our compartment and I have a lot of stuff in there, so I would have to take all the stuff out, and yeah. Now I just have to pull it from under the RV. I also have, I also have the little ramp thing that you can drive up on. So we'll use that today. And yeah, this should be probably a 20-minute job, which is good because it's 100 degrees outside. So let's get to it.
It feels scary changing a tire on the side of a highway where everyone is driving 80 miles an hour. But this is the best spot that we can get.
I actually need my tweezers. Well, I wish this didn't happen in rush hour traffic. I got stuck. Alright. My tweezers. Look at my knees.
So much trash on the side of the road. Why?
Glad I greased this stuff up. Now, before I put this tire on, I need to check the tire pressure in it so I don't have another blowout. And something I always do is I always keep my tires at max PSIs so the tires don't heat up. But as you guys can see, when you have these cheaper tires, that's just inevitable. Looks good. Looks good. I guess we'll have to put the spare wheel back on here. There it is. There's two pins on each side of this that you have to push in. I forgot all about it. So they just keep it from coming all the way out. So that's good. Alright. Already that. And this. I'm glad I remember all the stuff is. want you to help me with it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lose that. Is so hot. It is so hot. Looks like a tire got a puncture. I am blessed though. I didn't get any of my stuff ripped off. How surprising. So we ran into another problem. Even though that jack thing is lifting up the RV perfectly, it's still not enough to get it out. So now I have to use this. So here we go.
Still out there trying to, well, he's changing the tire. Kids are hanging out inside. We were 30 minutes from our campground, guys. 30 minutes. 99 degrees outside. A sweet man stopped to ask if we need help and offered to help, which was really cool. I think Justin got nervous with me out there, so he asked me to come check on the kids. So sweet. Oh, the deed is done.
Woo! Yeah. First time ever in what, 4 years? Alrighty.
I didn't even know this existed.
Really?
No.
Well, always learn something new, right? Actually goes this way. Let's go. put it back down here.
Look, our tire grew a skirt.
Yeah.
We're ready for a luau.
Yeah, all right. If you have a BAL high to spare, I recommend strongly to grease this stuff every so often, because I am so glad I've been doing that, because had I not, I wouldn't have been able to get this off. You guys know why I like to travel at night. That's the #1 reason why, because it's not as hot. And even though I think that tire exploded because something must have hit the sidewall, I think the heat was part of it, you know. So I mean, the wheel was so hot. Like, I mean, it was almost too hard to touch with your bare hands. So I have gloves right here in my car. Everything that I use in this video worked perfectly. I mean, I still had to use the jack from my truck to jack up the axle, as you guys saw. But I mean, I didn't jack it up much. It was just maybe like a few turns and it was done. So we're gonna go ahead and we're actually headed to a truck wash because we need to wash our feet. It's so nasty from going on BLM so much. But from there, we're gonna head up to the campground, and then I gotta get this tire fixed. We might have to upgrade these tires. I don't know, we'll see. That doesn't sound like something I want to do right now. We've spent so much money. But so far, so good.